Morning, this is Paul River with Freedom Motors USA in Battle Creek, Michigan. And today we're looking at a super wide, Freedom Motors exclusive Neil van. The super wide has a 48-inch wide, wheelchair accessible ramp. This is just one of many dozens that we have in stock. We got them starting around $29,995. This particular one's only $33,995. It's got the low mileage, 25,000 miles. We have other ones with miles in the 60,000 range that are only $29,995. Freedom Motors USA, 48 inches wide, huge ramp. I'm going to show you how to get in here. Since this is a super wide, it's got an extra step here. You have a little cord you got to pull there. So after you open the hatch, beautiful new ramp, cool new logo. So there's just a cord you got to pull here, release. See how it releases there. And once that releases, then you can just pull up on the handle here, like so. It's really lightweight. Very, very lightweight. Very huge ramp, but it's very lightweight because it's spring loaded here. So it helps it seem weightless typically. Virtually weightless. Virtually weightless. Very easy. Super cool. This is just one of many of the innovative things we've done over the years. Over 30 years been in business. Huge selection of hundreds of wheelchair accessible vehicles. Toyota Siennas, Dodge Grand Caravans, Chrysler Pacificas, rear entry, side entry, transfer seats. You can drive right from your wheelchair in many of our vehicles. If you're interested in a wheelchair accessible vehicle, give us a call. 1-800-625-6335. This is a super wide Freedom Motors exclusive in the industry, 48-inch wide, super wide, with flip and fold seats also in the second row. I'm going to show you how those work. Flip and fold, I got one down and one up. To lower it, just pull this button here, and then to flip it up, it's a little, see that? Just pull on that, pop, just pops right up. Super easy. The other one does the same thing. So you have the versatility and flexibility of different kind of seating arrangements. You can fit two wheelchairs in here. Two wheelchairs fit in here as well. So you have the option of flipping up the seats. There she is. Just pull down on it, and it's spring loaded and springs right up. Just springs, pops right up. Brand new conversion, freshly converted. 2015 model, only 25,000 miles. Super wide, huge rear entrance, lots of room. If you're interested in this vehicle, give us a call. We have a huge selection of super wides, side entries. We have Chevy Suburban, Chevy Silverados, Chevy Tahoe, GMC Yukon, Sierras, huge selection, hundreds of wheelchair vehicles. We have vehicles starting from $11,995. We get a lot of trade-ins. We have a nationwide sales staff, sales force out in the field, and we ship coast to coast. So we take in trades. Sometimes we get some really low price trade-ins from $11,995. Super easy, in and out, really easy. If you're interested in this vehicle or any vehicle, we can help you. Give us a call. We also offer up to 10-year financing as well. Give us a call, 1-800-625-6335. This is Paul River coming to you, Freedom Motors USA, Battle Creek, Michigan. Thanks for watching my video. Have a great day.